Welcome back to the channel Geography with Bimal, and today with the help of this video we will discuss how to calculate mean deviation from individual observations. We know there are three types of data. One is individual series, another is discrete series, and the third one is continuous series. In this video we will just calculate we will see how to calculate the mean deviation from the individual observation or individual data. So without let's go. This will given in the exam or somewhere, or what it is called, this will given calculate the mean deviation from the following. So first of all, these are the 5 numbers. No, first of all we have to put the formula. The formula to get the value of mean deviation is summation modulus d by capital D by n. If the formula is this one, so we have to find out the value of this summation d by n. Okay, summation d, we have to find out the value of summation d. Now to calculate the value of summation d, first of all we have to calculate the value of d. Then when we will add it totally, okay, then it will come as summation modulus d. Okay, now to get these values, now this is deviation from median. Now the question is here, how we can calculate median? In case of individual series, no, it's very easy to calculate the median. That is the procedure to get the value of median. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2 item. That means n is how much? 5. So n plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is third item. Now if we count third item from just from this level, this is first one, this is second, and this is third. So the value of median will be 15,200. Now deviation from median, that means when we will subtract 15,200 from all these numbers, we will get the value of modulus d. This is modulus, no? We will consider, or we will ignore the plus minus value. That is deviation from median ignoring sign. That is plus minus sign, ignoring plus minus sign. When we will go for this calculation, that is it is expressed as modulus d. Okay. Now you see 14,000 minus 500 200. That means 1,200. That is 14,000 minus 15,200. That will be 400. Then 15,200 minus 15,200. That will 0. Okay. Now 16,000. When we will subtract 15,200 from 16,000, the answer will be 800, and like that 18,800 minus this one, this is 3,600. Now if you make a summation, then the result will be summation modulus d is equal to 6,000. So we know the formula of how to get this. Is the formula is mean deviation is equal summation modulus d capital D by n, and the summation d is equal how much? 6,000. Summation d is equal to 6,000. So 6,000 by n. N will stand for total number of observation in case of individual series. Keep it in your mind. When the matter will be in case of discrete series or continuous series, in that case n will always stand for the total number of frequency. But here frequency is not available, so n will always stand for how many observations are there. That will be n. Here now you say 6,000, that means 1,200, and this is the value of and this is the procedure how to calculate mean deviation from the individual data or individual observation. I think I am in a position to clear up the matter how to calculate mean deviation. And if it is so, and if you are new, please subscribe the channel so that you will get more updates. Thank you very much.